Today we're going to talk about Dr. Emoto's book. This one in specific, The Miracle of Water. And it's all about frequencies, energy, same thing, about gratitude and love. And what he did is, well, he realized that the earth is about 70% water. But when you look at your body, it is also about 70% water. Some doctors or medical people think it's more like 90. If you break it down, the H2O could be, involved with different parts of the body. So we are mostly water. So that's why the effects that we have on certain things are so. For example, what he did is that he took water and he put just written words like love or sadness or peace and love. He froze the water, and then underneath a microscope, he actually took pictures, and you can see the beauty of the different words. And he was astonished by that. But then he went and took other words like devil, I can't, well, this is one, I can't do it. This one here. This one is I can do it. So what a difference. So words like ugly and beautiful. This is ugly, beautiful. So he really realized that the words, the vibrations have an effect on the body as well as the water. So I started thinking, well, if that's the case, then when I'm waking up every day and I'm saying, oh, I feel like an 80-year-old woman, or oh, these aches and pains, I don't want to be here anymore, or is my body ever going to get any better? All these thoughts were just making me vibrate lower and lower and lower and stay in that sick, low vibrating area. After I read this book, I realized I need to watch my words and what I'm saying. And also in the book, which I thought was really cool, he gave a reason to actually put little sticky notes, or what I did is I put tape on the blender because every day I have a shake, and I put love and gratitude. I also labeled it on different glasses that I drink from. And I felt that not only it tastes a little bit sweeter, the water tasted sweeter, but that I felt more refreshed when I drank it. Another option you can do is put your water outside in the sun, because the sun frequencies, all that light energy makes a difference. And don't use plastic. Plastic's bad. Glass or copper or a metal, either way. But put it outside and a good 24 hours, and then in the morning take a sip and tell me, put in the comments below if you had an experience of it tasting any differently. But another thing you can do is you can take the water and hold it in your hand and either say thank you, or I love you, or sending you love. You can also envision a light coming from the universe down through your head, through your hands, like you got power, and infusing this water with love. It makes a difference. It sounds crazy, sounds silly, but try it. Everything that I say, I've either done or have tried. So be your own experiment. Like Mary says, this is Mary from Jin Shin Jitsu. She says, be your own testimonial. So do it on yourself. See what you feel, see what you think. So I really did take this at heart, and I realized that many people are doing these experiments all over the world. Even remotely, people are doing this. So power of intention's another thing too that we need to look at, but not on this video. I just wanted to talk about water and how the energy of water is reflected in the formation of crystals, like he did. So we don't have to freeze it to go look at. The evidence is already done. It's been done a million different times with different people. So trust that it is done. And like I said, be your own experiment and try. Water is so important. It's the only element in the world that actually can have 3 different phases. It can be vapor, it can be liquid, or it can be solid. And because of that, we really need to look at it. And water-wise for your body, for health, the minimum you should be drinking is half your body weight in water. So if you're 130 pounds, that's 130 ounces here in the States. If you're living across country, that's different math. So you'll have to multiply it or divide it or something. But for here in the States, know that it's half your body weight, but up to your body weight. So when you try to drink your body weight in water, you feel different. Yes, you're going to the bathroom a lot. However, when it becomes a routine, then your body will know, hey, I don't have to retain this water. I can release it because water is going to come in soon. That's why a lot of people start drinking water regularly every hour, 8 ounces, but then they complain that they're running to the bathroom all the time and then they give up. Don't give up. It's your body kind to readjust and realize, hey, we're getting more water, so we need to adjust here. So be diligent with your water and drink your body weight in water, and you're going to feel a difference. So little tips for you. Don't have to use them. Just giving the information. Please like and share, and I'll have more later. Bye. Namaste.